Hi, Ryan here from 910. If you're watching this video, you're interested in the summer webinar that we are co-hosting with BusinessLink, and this session is on Canva brand kits. So let's talk about Canva brand kits and why they're useful for small and medium businesses. So as a quick overview, I'm on our agency website right now for 910. We have three divisions: branding, websites, and training. And over here in branding, just provide an overview of some common services that branding agencies offer. So very commonly, and sort of a starting point for many businesses, is the logo design. Once the logo is designed, though, the next step would be what we call visual brand standards. And it's this idea that as your logo shows up in the world, it has a distinct look. It has colors and textures and fonts, and there's a design aesthetic that is intentionally designed, and it provides guidance for any professional vendors that you're working for, or if you have stakeholders, employees, managers that need to do marketing, promotions on your behalf, there should be a very consistent look and feel for what that stuff looks like. So visual brand standards are commonplace. They've been around for a long time. The challenge with them is that they typically are in file formats that are inaccessible to most businesses. Employees don't know how to use them because they don't have technical design training. So what we introduce as an option, really as a highly recommended option, is Canva brand kits. And what Canva brand kits do is they take these industry standard brand guides, these visual brand guides, they deconstruct them and they make them available in a platform that has drag and drop ease. So Canva brand kits. So Canva is a service that has been around now for a few years and has become quite prominent now, and it is a bit of a best friend for agencies like 910, where if the goal is to empower our clients to be able to do their own branded design, Canva would be for us, the platform of choice to make that accessible to you. So canva.com is where you can go and learn about this, and I'm just going to dive in real quickly, and I'm going to show you 910's own Canva account. So although we have technically trained designers in-house, we do use Canva for some of our needs as well. So within Canva, and we will cover this in much more depth within the session, we'll give you an overview of what it looks like to build a Canva brand kit, to load your logos, your fonts, your colors, your styles. But then within that as well, you can build out a very robust library of assets. And so here, for example, we're showcasing our icon library. We also have various backgrounds and textures and image layouts and guidelines for various templates. And if we go to our designs, you can see here that we have various templates that are created. So this one here is a graphic that our team created to promote, as it turns out, this webinar series where we're hosting, it turns out, 4 of them. And so as you go through, you can see that these are very beautifully designed. They're in line with our brand standards. They are drag and drop easy. So any of our team members, whether they have a technical skill set or not, they can go in and they can design these. So as you can see, we have our 4 sessions, and Canva brand kits is number 3. And so this will be the set of graphics, and it would have taken our team, we have a suite of graphics here, altogether probably less than an hour to create this. And of course, if you were to create these graphics by going through an agency, you would pay the agency rate. Instead, wouldn't it be better if your staff could do this internally with a timelier turnaround and without incurring the cost of an external agency? So all of this is possible. This is the recommended approach that we have for our clients. You should work with an agency to design your brand, but then the next step is to deconstruct it and make it accessible. Once it's accessible in Canva, your staff can and should manage beautiful branded graphics on the daily, weekly basis, predominantly for social media and website, but Canva is extremely flexible, and we will be covering that in this session along with our partner BusinessLink, and we hope to see you there.